Hello, today I will be starting the beginning of a series on basic Java. And then today we'll start the series by downloading our IDE, which will be IntelliJ, and also writing down our first program called Hello World. So to download IntelliJ, you can go to this link, which I'll put in the description of the video, and then you can press download here to download, and then I've already pre-downloaded it. It will be this file. You can click open, and then click through. It's pretty big. And then 64-bit launcher, and then yeah, then it'll extract. So once it's finished extracting, we can press run and then finish, and they'll run the file. Then do not import settings. Then I'll choose dark mode because I like dark mode. Continue. Start using IntelliJ. We do new project, and then Java. Next. We'll name it Java tutorials. And here's IntelliJ. So once we have IntelliJ all set up, we can open project. Then under src, we can create a new package, which is basically a folder which can contain Java files. We'll name it Hello World. And then under that, we can put a new Java class, which we'll also name Hello World. And then, okay, so once we get to here, we have to implement a main method, which will basically run, it will loop through once and it will run the code inside. To do that, we can do public static void main, and then string double bracket args, and then inside there we can put system.out.print, and then we can create a string using the double quotation marks and put inside hello world. And then we can build it and we can run hello world and it will print out to our system.out. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and stay tuned for more on the way.